Ciao dear Sicily lover!
Dio,
Ciao! We love you! We are so tired, but we are super excited and super satisfied because we just finished to record the second video recipe dedicated to rosticceria. What about rosticceria, Sabina? Che cos'è la rosticceria?
La rosticceria, il nostro street food siciliano.
Brava.
Trovi di tutto, praticamente un tipo di pasta brioche con varie farciture, varie forme, varie pezzature di varie misure.
Facciamo vedere, Gianca, please translate.
So let me say something about what you made today for us. So guys, this is a whole bunch of different elements of our street food, and you can only find this amazing food here in Sicily. I'm not sure you have rosticceria in the States, in Australia, in Canada, because this is absolutely traditional here in Sicily. Sabina said we only have one dough for several purposes, so different elements with the same dough. And
not only savory.
Not only this, but we have also savory and sweet elements, such as, so the majority of these are savory. We have pizzette, the small pizza, we have rollo.
Our Sicilian hot dog.
The hot dog, or the, how do you say, pig on blanket. Then we have ravazzata, then we have fried calzone, baked calzone, and as I said before, also sweet food. Come la chiami questa?
Ciambella!
Ciambella! Guys, I hope you can see it. I go closer. In the meantime, Rosella, say something about our video tutorial.
So, as you know, we are going to have another virtual cooking class and Sicily lovers meeting. Next time your teacher will be Sabina. Sabina is first of all is a friend of us, and she's a food blogger, an authentic housewife, and she's very passionate about Sicilian food. So, if you want to join us, visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com and sign up. Save the date, April 9.
Say
we
again.
wait for you.
Say again, which is the date?
April 9.
It's a Saturday?
It's Saturday, yes, a crazy Saturday from Sicily. We will be live from here, from Sabina's kitchen, and Sabina can wait to teach you rosticceria and the other recipe. We already sent you the first video recipe about caponata. So we are going to prepare caponata and rosticceria. Sabina, ma sta rosticceria, Iddi, quando si la vissero a fare, quando si l'hanno a preparare, che ci possono fare?
Ah, questa si può preparare in qualsiasi momento della giornata, va gustata dalla mattina alla sera.
E la notte!
E la notte soprattutto! In Sicilia va mangiata in qualsiasi momento, è tutto l'anno!
Aspetta che traduco. So, Sicilian people used to eat rosticceria all year round, and not only during the day, but also during the night. Why? Because Sicilian people, when they exit from bars, disco, in the middle of the night, before coming back home, they used to have one of these, and we call them pezzo or pezzi. We can say item, no?
Element.
Element.
They are all members of the family of the street food.
So during the night,
But let me say
we can
something.
have a pezzo.
We miss something. We miss something. They already know. In this family, in this plate, we miss arancini.
Ow.
Also, arancini belong to the same family of street food. We didn't make arancini this time because, as you know, if you've been following us, Sabina already made arancini a few months ago.
Last
October, and also bread with chickpea fritters and potato croquette.
Un pane e panelle.
Pane e panelle e croquette, that's very traditional. Also this myth in this video tutorial, but because this recipe, as we mentioned before, concern just one dough. So with one dough you can make a plenty of different terrific food. And now I'm enjoying. Passami un tovagliolino per favore.
So Sicilian people used to enjoy also for breakfast.
Grazie.
And if you come to Sicily, you cannot find this kind of food at the restaurant. You only find at bar, bakery, al panificio, no?
Sì.
Because it's a sort of fast food. Now you can
Deli food.
Deli food, yes. You can eat quickly on the street. So if, for example, workers that get up very early in the morning used to have a second breakfast at 9 o'clock more or less with a pezzo of rosticceria. Also children during the break at school. And as Sabina told you, during the Sicilian party, women used to buy a lot of rosticceria and serve this meal to guests. But you will impress your guests next time preparing your own homemade rosticceria.
Because it's very easy.
Yeah.
It's not difficult, and it's very satisfying because you can have with the same dough you can have a plenty of different amazing food, and you should try it in person. I'm not sure you have rosticceria in the States or in Canada or in Australia, but you have to try it in Sicily. So next time you visit Sicily, you can stop at several bakers or bars that offer rosticceria all day and night long. Because in Sicily we never sleep, we are always hungry. We used to have rosticceria at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the night, and so...
But in the meantime, we can join us next virtual cooking class and Sicily Lovers meeting, and you can learn how to make rosticceria. And Sabina will be your teacher. She waits for you, and we can wait to meet you again. And I would like to remind you that this will be the last edition of our virtual cooking class and Sicily Lovers meeting, because we are ready to start again with our tour of Sicily. So please visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com and save your spot.
Which is the date again?
April 9.
April 9, guys.
Saturday.
9 aprile, sabato.
Sabato 9 aprile, Saturday, April 9. And let me say something more.
No more. We skipped the lunch, so it's time to...
As always, yeah, we skipped the lunch. We've been filming the video tutorial
all the day.
since
10 o'clock in the morning.
10 o'clock in the morning. So it's evening, and we just finished to film the video tutorial. So as always, please don't forget it. As always, for those who book the virtual cooking class with us, we will gift you with a video tutorial so you can be able to make rosticceria and caponata. Don't forget the other recipe, caponata. You can be able to make it at home before the virtual cooking class, and always. Forever, of course.
Until the end of your life. So guys, we love you. See you see you on Saturday 9, April 9, and bestthingstodoinsicily.com. We love you. Salutiamo Sabina, perché ora va a mangiare. giusto?
Sì.
Fammi inquadrare ancora la rosticceria, che bella, è bella, guardate che bella.
Troppo bella ci viene.
So, what a beautiful image.
Si vedi che sape fare
We
cose.
can show you.
E non vi mettete a dieta che non è il momento. Prima facciamo la rosticceria, la caponata.
So she says, no kidding, don't
No.
book any diet
No.
before making rosticceria. only later. Only after rosticceria. Ciao Katie O'Brien, ciao Mary Betancourt.
Ciao,
Ciao Nicole.
Ciao.
Sheila. We have a lot of people. Sita and Matteo. Ciao guys. Hello everyone. So it's time to say bye bye and see you next Saturday, April 9.
Yeah.
Okay?
So
Save
all
the
together.
date. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
Ciao dear Sicily lovers!
Ciao, ciao.
Sicily.com. Visit now and book your spot. Ciao!